Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Jasmine in the kitchen, and today I'll be making pepper steak. And here I have a pound and a half of sirloin steak that I'm going to be cutting strips. So stay tuned. So here I'm trying to cut them into 1-inch strip, but you may know maths, you know me, but as I go, 1 inch, say 1 inch, something like that. So here we go, cutting them. I hope you guys will like this recipe. So here I'm going to be washing my steak with some lemon. Use a paper towel to absorb some of the water. So here are my spices that I'm going to be used to season my steak. I have some Montreal steak season here, steak spice, adobo, garlic, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I'm adding some cornstarch. Okay guys, so I'm just going to sprinkle the thing. I'm not going to measure anything. Maybe not, maybe I should. Adding 1 teaspoon of steak spice, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, that was onion powder, sorry, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, I'm gonna add some adobo. I just maybe just for salt, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of adobo. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. You guys, come on. Okay. And I'm adding a little Worcestershire sauce. Okay. Just a little. Maybe about a teaspoon. And now I'm gonna mix my. I'm gonna rub my spices together. Ouch. So I'm adding 1/4 cup of coconut oil to my skillet. I'm gonna add my meat into my pot. And I'm going to increase my heat, medium high, and so let it brown. In the meantime, I'm going to cut my pepper. I'm just using green pepper in my steak. That's all I'm using. Half of the green pepper, and so the pepper I'm using. I'm using one onion. And some scallion, some green onion. I've already washed this. So I take out the green part, white part out of my pepper. So it makes it ting bitter. So I'm moving the core. Okay. Okay, so let's cut the pepper. I'll cut them in chunks. And onion in chunks as well. I like lots of onion. I love onion, so I'm using a entire onion with my food. So, right there. I'm allowed to cook for about 7 minutes. Guys, this steak tastes amazing. I just had a little piece. Oh my gosh. You should be in this kitchen right now. You should be in this kitchen right now. Now I'm adding all of my green seeds and my pepper, my onions, guys. So now I'm going to add some vegetable bouillon, broth. So I add about a little salt here. I'm adding 2 cups, half a cup of vegetable bouillon, and I'm adding some sherry as well. Adding some cooking sherry, with about 1/4 cup of cooking sherry. And now I'm going to stir. That's 7 minutes. Timer. Adding some gravy browning. Just a little quarter teaspoon. Yeah. You can add as much as you like. If you want to have your meat darker, you can add it more or less, or you can do without. I like my meat dark. Okay, guys. Adding some more broth. I need a gravy, lots of gravy. So adding another half a cup of broth. Yeah, half a cup. And so in total, I've added 1 cup of the vegetable broth. Let's do a taste test and see. Yeah, so after all, it says pepper steak, right? So we need to get some spice in there. I'm gonna add some spicy pepper in there, okay, guys? Adding half of a Scotch bonnet pepper, seed in and all. Because at least you want to get it done. You want to have it spicy because it's pepper steak, right? So let's just taste this piece of steak here. This piece there. Right texture. Don't want it too soft, too tough. If you cook too long, then I get tough. You don't want tough steak in the house, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna cook this for 3 more minutes until the onion and the pepper is softened a bit. Don't want it too soft though. You want to have a crunchiness to the pepper and the onion. So yeah, a bit of a crunch. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Yes guys, there it is, my pepper steak. And there's my pepper steak, guys. Looking all delicious. Taste is delicious. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, this only takes me like 10 minutes to make.